Hey guys, so and today let's unbox this Amazon Cloud Cam. So this thing came out on February 2017. I got it on March 2017 and today is July 2018. I know my timeline sucks. So I just hope Amazon doesn't slap a new model of this camera before this unboxing and review video goes live, which is like delayed by more than 15 months. Anyways, it's never late. So let's do a quick unboxing. The Amazon Cloud Cam, the wall mount bolts, power adapter, manual and warranty, the wall mount adapter, the power cable. So that's all what we get: the camera, the power adapter, the wall pins, warranty, manual and stuff. Let's connect it now. And now let's talk about the setup. So setup is easy. You just have to connect this to the camera. Adapter, USB, connect it to the power source, and you can see it's flashing blue. So the green end, when it starts flashing green, then you know it's ready for the setup. So one pro tip: this Amazon Cloud Cam application is not available in Indian Apple App Store. So you need to have one American or USA Apple App Store account. I already had one since years, so I just logged in, got the app installed, and then got back to my Indian App Store account. It's still flashing blue. So this is the application, the Amazon Cloud Cam app. So you need to first log in your Amazon account, and camera is in pairing mode. Yes, your camera must be in pairing mode. Camera found. All right, nice. So name your camera. For example, I'm going to put it in the office. Next, looking for networks. So it's gonna search for your Wi-Fi network. Registering device. It's still registering. Camera setup complete, and it's asking for the plans. So for now I'm just going to show you about the free plans, and we're going to talk about the features, what you all get with the free and what with the subscription. So for now, cancel. Cloud Cam would like to send you notification, of course. Yes, allow. Updating your camera. So this camera is already sleeping in my studio for last 1 year or more. So pretty sure the firmware has been updated, so we're gonna update the firmware first. Updating the camera, it's gonna take some time. The update took quite a bit some time. It's more than 10 minutes already. So this is the app interface. It's plain simple. So you just have to go to camera, add camera, Cloud Cam plans. That's it. And motion detected, you're going to see it. Click on that. You will see the download, share, delete, send feedback options. That's pretty neat. That's all about the apps. It's simple. You can just go to the live view, download, share, do everything. About the app is pretty simple. It does have the basic features like live view, recording clips, share, downloads. Pretty intuitive. App is nice, but only available for USA App Store. Now talking about the price, I got it in March 2017 for $120 in the US. So I guess it's the same price available right now in Amazon USA. It's not available in India. So in case you are looking to buy it, I have left all the links below in the video description. Go ahead and get it. Now talking about the subscription, you get like two options for this Amazon Cloud Cam. First, you can use it for free subscription, and the second is paid plans. For the free, it lets you do almost everything. It does store all of those motion alerts, footages of last 24 hours in your free subscription. But if you'd like to pay for your subscription, then it lets you have 30 days of data, person detection alerts, zone alerts, download access for any of the 30 days data. That is pretty good, and it's pretty cheap as well. Now talking about the good things or the pros about this Amazon Cloud Cam, this has the free subscription features which are really good, unlike Nest Cam, which doesn't provide anything for free. It's Amazon Alexa compatible, so basically if you have Alexa at home, you can simply call Alexa, show me the living room, and boom, it shows up right on your connected TV. App is very responsive and the live feed is almost instant. The voice quality is great. It does two-way audio, it does motion alerts, it does zone-based alerts, it does night vision, IR. You can even switch off the IR LEDs in the night. And clips can be viewed, downloaded, shared even with a free subscription. You can switch off the IR. Motion alerts are pretty neat, and you can do the zone based alerts as well for the paid plans only. Now talking about the cons or the bad things about this Amazon Cloud Cam. So this has a little narrow field of view than Nest Cam. This has like 120 degree of FOV, drops a lot of frames during low light conditions. Night vision isn't that powerful as Nest Cam. No local SD support, of course. So this is a bad thing because I always need a local SD support in any of my cloud cameras. then this doesn't record 24/7. It only records and stores the motion alert clips in your free subscription and even in your paid subscription. It doesn't record complete video footage of your whole day. About the mounting, so basically you can have this camera on your tabletop or you can even mount on your wall. So basically you have to put this on your wall, use those pins, and so this will be the wall mount. You have to put it something like this. So it's connected to the wall mount, and then you can have it, you can move the camera anywhere you like. So mounting is nice. You can have it on tabletop and even you can put it on the wall mount and just point it to the direction you are looking to have your recordings. So that's pretty much all about this Amazon Cloud Cam. If you've still got any questions, just let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking to buy it, I have left all the links below in the video description. Go ahead and get it. Smash the subscribe button if you haven't done it yet, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to stay updated. I will see you next time. Peace.